What's going on, guys? It's Butter from Butter to the Insider YouTube channel. Not the biggest channel in the world, but thanks to viewers like you, I'm punching well above my weight. For over 3 years here on YouTube, this channel has grown, and now we are to the point of creating real change for the brotherhood and other car enthusiasts. Just in January 2024 alone, I and my other YouTube friends have saved the brotherhood over $500,000 through our actions on here and social media against these car dealers. But people have asked me for ways to support me and the channel over the years, so now I'm introducing different membership tiers with more to come as the channel gets bigger. Early access to videos, one-on-one help with me, discounts, live streams, giveaways are just a sample of what's on the horizon. Every dollar raised through memberships will be reinvested through the channel to bring more content, more revelations, and more butter at the end of the day. Check out the different tiers listed in the membership section below, and no matter what level you join, whether it be the lowest tier or the highest tier, just know that you will be a valued member and that you are helping me create a difference. It's time to put enthusiasm back into being a car enthusiast, so check out the tiers that are offered, and if you're not ready to join, you can still support the channel by subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. Everything you guys do makes a difference, so I want to thank all you guys for still listening to me and support me over the last 3 years. I hope you join me on this new journey, and until the next time, I'm out.